Deloitte is hiring for full stack developers in Bengaluru and it's open to freshers with 0 or 2 years of experience. If you know Python or JavaScript or even React, this is genuinely worth a look. So let me break down exactly what the role needs. So here's role overview. The company is Deloitte. The position which it is offering is full stack development. The location is in Bangalore, Karnataka. Experience they are asking for is 0 or 2 years of experience. So the department is Digital Excellence Center DEC. It's a full-time opportunity. The official listing, I'm telling you, so it's a quick honest note. The official listing doesn't publish a specific salary figure. So what I'm telling you is don't lock in expectations based on any number floating around online. Confirm compensation directly during the interview process itself. So what you will be doing in this role? This role sits actually within Deloitte, India's largest digital excellence center. So where tech professionals work on products, platforms, and client-facing technology solutions. Basically, you have to be working with languages, front end, back end, APIs, databases, cloud, and testing. Let me tell you briefly, you'll be working on Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, SQL. While coming to languages, front end, you'll be working on React.js. While coming to back end, you should be having knowledge on Node.js and FastAPIs. And APIs, you must know REST APIs. After which databases, you must have knowledge on RDBMS and NoSQL. Cloud, you must know the implementation of AWS, Azure, and GCP. So while coming to testing, it can be just Mocha or PyTest. So this isn't just writing code, you'll also be doing application support, troubleshooting deployment, and helping with client onboarding. So you'll also be doing system integrations too. It is a generally well-rounded early career role. And it will be covering the full application lifecycle, not just development. So for the eligibility, you should be having 0 or 2 years of experience. So you can be fresher too in software development, web development, application support, or even software implementation too. So it should be a relevant experience. So you can include internships, academic projects, or personal software projects too. You don't need formal work experience in this. So a technical education background would be absolute taken into consideration. It can be computer science, IT, software engineering, or related fields. So if you're comfortable with programming fundamentals and a willingness, should have that willingness to learn new tools quickly. So let me highlight skills which are required for this role. So you must have working knowledge of Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, and SQL. You must know data structures and algorithms. You must have fundamentals of it. So REST APIs and database experience are necessary for this. You can have RDBMS or NoSQL. Anything would be fine among these two. So you should have any exposure. That would be a strong plus. So any exposure to React.js, Node.js, or FastAPI. That would be a strong plus. So soft skills matter here too. So this role, it is client facing. So basically communication, ownership, and the eligibility to explain technical concepts. So simply are explicitly called out in this listing. So let me tell you how to apply for this role. Before applying, make sure your resume clearly highlights all your programming projects, internships, or whatever you have done. Any API or database work would be fine too. And cloud exposure if you have it. So even a personal project would count in this. And the official application link is in the description below. If you're applying, drop a comment and let me know. Like and subscribe for more of these breakdowns. So this is the interface how to apply for this role.